in the Maasai Mara Game Reserve, in the Maasai Mara Game Reserve, and we are here to watch the seventh wonder of the world. My lovely viewer, a very warm welcome to Read the Explorer Health and Lifestyle Hub. This is where I talk about all things health and lifestyle. Today I'm at the Maasai Mara National Reserve watching the seventh wonder of the world, the Great Migration and the crossing of the Mara River by the wildebeests. Wildebeests are crossing the Mara River, so sit back and watch. Now, the Mara River is full of crocodiles and hippos. Yes. And crocodiles are so happy when they see wildebeests crossing. And you will see that not every wildebeest will be lucky to cross the river to the other side of the National Reserve. We are in the Maasai Mara National Reserve, guys. Please sit back and enjoy. As you can see, it's not always an easy task for the wildebeest to cross the river. They contemplate, they cheer up, they line up, cheering one another to jump into the river and cross it. But you can see that some of the wildebeests contemplate and give up and even go back. You can see some of them returning where they came from, or not having enough courage to jump into the river and cross, while others have the courage to jump and cross. And this doesn't happen at once. They start by lining up and contemplating for hours and hours and hours before taking the decision to cross this river. Now, after successfully crossing the river, after successfully crossing the Mara River, the wildebeest join other animals on the other side of the National Reserve and flock together. You will mostly see wildebeest flocking together with the zebras. Start. Now here we see another bunch of them psyching up themselves to cross the river, to jump into the river and cross. Come on, wildebeest. Yeah. So as soon as the first one jumps into the river, all the rest follow. But some of them give up and go back anyway. Now here you see the wildebeest teaming up, like telling each other to stick together. Let's stick together and cross. Let's stick together and cross. And I think as they stick together like this and try to cross by jumping and running really fast, the crocodiles are kind of scared of attacking them. But you will see later on that the crocodiles actually attack the ones that are alone, but not the ones in the group.
Gather over there. You didn't see. The others went by. See, these ones are coming now again.
Now the wildebeest are so happy they have crossed the river and they are heading towards the other side of the Maasai Mara National Park to join their friends. And now look, a new bunch of them has been psyching themselves up to cross, and here they begin to cross. They begin to jump into the river and cross.
न जाता है बजो हवे गया आवाज आई मुझे अच्छा गया
और ऐसा कूदते हैं नहीं तूने देखा वो मैंने वीडियो जो लिया
वो छोटा वाला नहीं कूद रहा है
कहाँ
वो वापस ही जा रहा है देख
कहाँ है
गया वापस देख
ये जो ऊपर गया
देख देख वापस एकदम जल्दी भागा तेरा स्लोली जा रहा था
तो इसका तो भी ज़्यादा गहरा नहीं है नीली This is not migration.
Crossing.
Acha, this is crossing.
Remember, guys, this is the crossing. We are in the Great Migration in the Maasai Mara National Reserve in Kenya, and this is the crossing. This is the crossing.
Correct होगा उसमें लाइव चल रहा है That's what he's telling है फिर भागे नहीं
Yeah, they'll keep going and coming.
वहाँ तो देख झुंड घात शेर कहीं बैठ के घात लगा रहा होगा अभी तक आगे रहता था नहीं बोल रहा हूँ सारा सालों में इनका एक आध बार ही होता है जाने दो बच्चों को क्यों बाद में जब अकेले फंसेंगे तब पकड़ूंगा इनको यार फिर बड़े धुल जाते होंगे नहीं यहाँ से
वापस गया
नीचे गए या गए वहाँ से नहीं
वापस
You can now see that some of the wildebeest actually get scared of jumping into the river and crossing it, and instead run back. But they don't completely go back. They just go back, join another group, contemplate, get prepared, and then cross the river.
नानू वाड़ू जोजे
ये नानू वाड़ू तो क्रॉस करेगा तो वो नानू वाड़ू है ना
अच्छे करी
अरे वो बार-बार जा रहा है आ रहा है जा रहा है आ रहा है Crocodile is here in this river?
Yeah, crocodile.
How they are saved now then?
There's so many crocodiles here.
Where are they?
Oh no, guys, you see that wildebeest there? It will be taken down by a crocodile. A crocodile is taking it down.
गया वो crocodile
Yes.
वो ले गया
Now.
crocodile उसको
It's been taken.
yeah
Shit.
crocodile
Shit. What? Oh, a crocodile has just taken one.
yeah
Oh. The wild beasts are crossing the Mara River. Right here, right down here. Here is the Mara River. It's full of hippos and crocodiles. And the wild beasts are just crossing right in front of us, crossing from Serengeti to the Kenyan side. So they are here in Kenya to graze because there's a lot of grass for them, and I think it's a mating season for them. So they are crossing the Mara River to come into the Kenyan Maasai Mara National Reserve. And so we are here to watch. It's a lot of action.
Three of us.
There are a lot of cars, a lot of tourists, so many cars. Actually, I can't count them. There are hundreds of cars, I guess, full of tourists in Kenya at the moment, just to watch the seventh wonder of the world. So please join us in celebrating this seventh wonder. Please enjoy.
जो 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 there पूरा दिख रहा है या there
हाँ एक कार है गई ना वही है ना पकड़े रख गया क्या चालू कर
no sorry but at least I've
Naona mpaka kwa maji.
kidogo lakini umejaribu unaona mimi sioni vizuri kunyuma lakini I think there's no way this is just the best way
Hizi msichana anashika vizuri.
Msichana nimeshika msichana vizuri. Ukimove unaniambia ndio nini?
Sasa hizi mpaka ziishi.
Sawa, asante.
Ndio crossing.
This is the great migration.
Great migration. The
Crossing.
Just hold it.
let's just try to capture this is what we came for
Yes.
बराबर है ना
I hope you are seeing it.
या
Give me a change of the baby line and she can also
क्या कोना में
actually this car is blocking the entire view
Yeah, yes.
yeah
we can't do bit
to the left just ask him
nyuma kidogo.
It's completely blocking now. It's completely blocking.
Kuna gari kaja hapo na iko bad.
go to the left kidogo
because there is a lot of space
this guy see this આલે તું વિડિયો જો
हाँ तो बराबर છે આ તો જોયું
એ
છે
નહીં એ લોકો નીચે જવા માટે
No, of course not. Nira, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
yes
Yes, bit.
yes
पॉज करके फिर से दिस वन
Asante, James.
they're just jumping no first time touch real touch ये देख कैसे उधर है वो देखो। See how they are jumping.
Maybe I was leading.
આખું જોજે મારું આખું જોજે 2 મિનિટ
મેં જોયું છે મેં લીધું છે તું જો
તારું કોપી કરી દીધું પછી
મેં જોઈ જ નથી તારું
મારું કોપી કરું છું આ મારું એકવાર તું જો કેવું છે આના પછી જોજે તું હવે આ બીજા લોટમાં જશે નહીં ગઈ કે નહીં ગઈ
જાય છે स्टार्ट
चालू नहीं हुआ
स्टार्ट हो गया
तो जैसे दिखेगा पहले चालू करूँगा रुक जाएगी कहाँ पानी में तो घुस सकते
पानी की बात होगी नीचे घुसना होता है ले लिया अपन ने वैसे
Thank you.
gather हो गया था. You didn't see?
देखा मैंने.
The others went back. See, these ones are coming now again. अब तो अच्छे से देख बिना वीडियो के. Leave the gotta go down. Yeah.
सुकिदु.
Coward. अच्छा.
आ वाला.
Yeah, they went back.
करना.
जो नहीं
ऐसा नहीं एक करने देना.
जो पाछा गया जो.
अरे वो बेचारे आधे को छोड़ दिए. अरे दादा.
They went back.
वो कुछ कूदे हैं. कुछ तो कूदे हैं भाई. ये लोग तो इधर आ रहे हैं. अरे इधर से क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. जाओ जाओ. सेफ है.
They are crossing from that side.
आए फिर से आए. मेरी फोटो बनाती है नहीं. देखो देखो.
न जाता अंदर जो. हवे गया. आवाज आई मुझे. अच्छा गया.
और ऐसा कूदते हैं नहीं. तूने देखा वो मैंने वीडियो जो लिया.
वो छोटा वाला नहीं कूद रहा है.
कहाँ?
वो वापस ही जा रहा है. देख
कहाँ है?
गया वापस. देख
ये ऊपर गया.
देख देख. वो वापस एकदम जल्दी भागा. चलो स्लोली जा रहा था.
तो इसका तो भी ज्यादा गहरा नहीं है नहीं. This is not migration.
Crossing.
अच्छा, this is crossing.
This is the crossing of the Mara River.
हाँ हाँ. अच्छा नाउ. करेक्ट होगा. उसमें लाइव चल रहा है. That's what he's telling है. फिर भागे नहीं.
Yeah, they'll keep going and coming.
वहाँ तो देख झुंड. घात शेर कहीं बैठ के घात लगा रहा होगा. अभी तक आ गया रहता था नहीं. बोल रहा हूँ सारा सालों में इनका एक आध बार ही होता है जाने दो बच्चों को. क्यों बाद में जब अकेले फंसेंगे तब पकड़ूंगा इनको. यार फिर बड़े धुल जाते होंगे नहीं यहाँ से.
वापस नहीं गया.
नीचे गए या गए वहाँ से. नहीं दूर वाले में.
वापस गया. वो एक छोटा वाला है ना. वो बार बार आ रहा है. बार बार जा रहा है.
उसकी बात फट रही है.
પાછા આવશે જોજે. નાનું વાળું જોજે.
ये नानू वाड़ू तो क्रॉस कर
ना,
रही
ना,
है.
ना,
वो
ना.
नानू वाड़ू है ना.
अच्छी है कभी.
अरे वो बार-बार जा रहा है.
Now, the Mara River is full of crocodiles, as I said before, and of course
Crocodile
the
is here in this
hippos. But hippos don't eat meat, so
they're
they
safe now
don't
then?
feed on wildebeests.
Where are they?
But the crocodiles
Their
do
lunch is good.
feed on wildebeests. So the journey of the wildebeest is a feast for the crocodiles.
गया वो
As you can
crocodile.
see
वो ले गया
here,
crocodile उसको.
one wildebeest will be taken down by the crocodile. Actually, here it is. This one was alone, was running alone, was crossing the river alone, was behind the crowd, and it has been taken by the crocodile. The crocodile, which is still under the water, is trying to pull down the wildebeest.
गया क्या?
Is trying to pull it down, but the wildebeest tries to
There,
keep
there.
its head afloat.
They're
Oh,
falling. It's gone.
Oh,
It's trying to save
uh-oh.
itself.
Uh-oh. The wildebeest still fights on. It fights on. It's still fighting. It's still fighting on. The wildebeest is still fighting on.
दिखाई नहीं crocodile यार.
And now this has sent
Do you see crocodile?
fears in the other crowd.
Fighting. Though that I know,
You see
but
that
crocodile is not
there's
visible,
no
no?
crowd in the water yet because they have seen this experience. They have sensed that the crocodiles are here, and they have seen what's happening to this wildebeest. So the crossing has stopped. The crossing has been paused a little bit. They are very clever. They know exactly where the crocodiles are, and now that they know there is a crocodile here, they might not try to cross here anymore. They might change their crossing point. They might change their crossing.
धीरे-धीरे नीचे जा रहा है क्या?
Yeah.
The wildebeest that has been taken by the crocodile continues to fight for its life. It's still fighting for its life. It tries to move, it tries to free itself from the crocodile's claws. And let's see what will happen. In most cases, it doesn't succeed. In most cases, it might not, they don't succeed. But in this case, let's see what might happen. Let's see. The wildebeest continues to fight.
ये crocodile दिख रहा है. तो जबड़ा जबड़ा जबड़ा. हाँ. जबड़ा दिखा नहीं दी. अरे दिखा देख अब तो पूरी.
Now the wildebeest still continues to fight, and it's like it's winning. It's winning. It's winning. It's moving. The crocodile is still attached to it. As you can see, part of it is in the claws of the crocodile. Oh! Do you see the crocodile over there?
It's trying to save itself, but the crocodile.
It's holding.
It's wounded. It's wounded.
But he will go because how he will survive?
Oh, it's completely wounded.
Where is crocodile gone?
Coming up.
It's coming up.
Look. What? Down there. It has.
Which side, James?
I don't see it now.
Crocodile is here coming up. No.
Huh? हाँ crocodile.
अबे वो क्रॉस कर रहा है. फिर से क्रॉस कर रहा है.
Guys, the same wildebeest that has been wounded by a crocodile has jumped back into the water and is trying to cross.
Still he is not able
Let's
to
see
crossing
if
it,
it's a good idea
there.
or not.
Crossed.
Oh, it's crossed.
Everybody.
Actually, he caught it by his tail, no, so that's why he escaped.
Crocodile is here coming up. Now he's going back to the water again.
Acha, he's going back to the water.
Huh? हाँ crocodile.
अबे वो क्रॉस कर रहा है. फिर से क्रॉस कर रहा है.
It's crossed now?
Crossed.
No.
Crossed नहीं दी.
But it's injured.
Still he is not able to crossing it, na?
Because it's.
There.
It crossed.
Crossed.
Oh, it's crossed.
Everybody.
Actually, he caught it by his tail, no, so that's why he escaped.
It's in pain.
No, the crocodile was small, not big crocodile.
It's in
If it
pain.
would have been big, then gone, huh?
Yeah.
But it's been wounded. Shit.
कहाँ के ऊपर चढ़ा नहीं?
ऊपर वो चढ़ रहा है देख वहाँ
किधर पे?
लास्ट गाड़ी के पास ऊपर देख देख कैन यू सी इट जो लास्ट गाड़ी खड़ी है ना वो लाइन में
You captured it big. It's in pain.
No, the crocodile was small, not big crocodile.
It's in
If it would
pain.
have been big, then gone, huh?
Yeah.
But it's been wounded. Shit.
कहाँ के ऊपर
The
चढ़ा?
good news is there has been a good ending. The wildebeest that was wounded by a crocodile has finally crossed. It has crossed the river and it has joined its group on the other side of the river. It's lucky because it was attacked by a baby crocodile. a young crocodile. If it were a big, huge, old crocodile, its story would be past tense. And I leave you with this beautiful picture of hippos basking in the sun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Free National Geographic for you. Thank you. Bye.